Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your CapCut video to TikTok. So here, if you finish your edit and you want to directly upload it to TikTok, what you need to do is click on the export option, click on the arrow up at the top right corner and wait for CapCut to finish exporting your videos. And after that, you'll see there is a button share to TikTok, so just click on that button right there and it will direct you to the TikTok apps. So what you need to do next is just upload this video. You can just click on your story if you want to upload it to your TikTok story, but if you want to add it as your TikTok post or video, click on next. Then just write the caption, location, you can also tag people, and after that click on post. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.